Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Kraken Tentacle. First, identify a trusted vendor with a proven track record in rare aquatic acquisitions. Ensure they provide clear documentation of the tentacle's provenance, confirming it was sourced responsibly. Next, familiarize yourself with any local or international regulations governing the trade of mythical creature parts. This due diligence is crucial for a smooth and compliant transaction, protecting both you and the seller. When sourcing, always confirm the specific species of kraken and the tentacle's dimensions. Some can be over 15 feet long. Demand third-party authentication to verify its genuine nature and current state of preservation. A legitimate certificate of origin is non-negotiable, proving it's not a cleverly crafted imitation. This step is vital to ensure you are acquiring a true specimen, not a costly fake, and that its unique properties are intact. Pricing for a Kraken Tentacle can vary significantly, often between $5,000 and $50,000, so negotiate wisely. Secure specialized shipping that maintains a consistent, cool temperature is paramount to preserve its integrity. Always purchase comprehensive insurance to cover any unforeseen issues like damage or loss during its journey. A reliable delivery service will provide tracking and handle the unique logistical challenges of transporting such an extraordinary item. Upon arrival, immediately transfer your Kraken Tentacle to a stable, controlled environment, ideally kept below 35 degrees Fahrenheit, to prevent degradation. Seek advice from specialists on the best long-term preservation techniques and suitable display options to maintain its unique characteristics. Remember, proper care ensures your investment lasts for generations. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routines, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. They make organizing your meals a breeze.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.